Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ananyaksha Arts. Today I'm gonna draw Gumball machine. First we need a sketch pen and a white sheet. And now I'm gonna draw. Now the gumballs are ready. Now I'm gonna color it. So I have put here like open to put gumballs, and I'm gonna for extra decorate I'm gonna put over here down some gumballs. Like this. Now I'm gonna color it with red, green, purple, blue, pink and orange. You can use colors or like this pencils. Now I'm gonna color it. So I'm done with the color. So I'm done with the gumball machine. So hope you like this video guys. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the bell button. See you next time guys. Bye.